back to Self-Care Official. So I'm in the store here, guys. Winner store in Jamaica. Portmore, Jamaica it is. Yes, guys, Winner store. So here I am, guys. I'm looking at some kitchen, you know, utensils here. Garlic grinder, guys. Interesting, you know. Yeah, garlic grinder. Look at it, guys. Nice piece of, small equipment. So to make work easy for us that work in the kitchen. $600 for this piece of appliance here. So to prepare, our drink or tea, garlic tea it is, or to put in our food. Yes, guys. So this is the garlic grinder. Yeah. And here we have the crusher, guys. Yes, garlic press. Not crusher, but garlic press. There it is. Woo! Very heavy, guys. Yeah. Garlic press. Yes, I wonder if you can see the price here. Garlic press, and it is for $2,500. There is the price. Yeah, so you put your garlic clove in there and you press it. Yeah, nice pieces of small equipment here in the store. Winners store it is in Portmore, Jamaica. Yes, and we are looking at kitchen equipment. This is another garlic press here. So they have you know, different styles. Yes, wide variety of garlic press. Very cute. Look at it. So cute. Yeah. Wow, meat tender, guys. Look at it. Shaped like a hammer. You have your chicken breast and you want it to beat. So to get it tender, look at it. Meat tender. Wow. So it's a tenderizer. Wow, aluminum tenderizer. Want to see the price on it? Let me see, 1,250. That's the price there. 1,250. Don't know if you can see, guys, but that's the price for this meat tenderizer. Wow. Two-piece silicone tools. Two-piece silicone tools, $950. There it is. And they have some other pieces here. This one is for $600. Awesome kitchen tools, kitchenwares. These are some wooden spoon and spatulas, plastic spoons here. And the price are reasonable, guys. For this is $450. This one here, $450. Reasonable prices. Unique pieces, guys. Yeah. $300 for this one. Very unique, guys. Yeah. So guys, I'm here shopping for some of these beautiful kitchenwares, kitchen items. This one is for $1,200 in Jamaica, guys. Yes, so you can do the equivalent of 150 Jamaican dollars to one US dollars. Yeah, the equivalent of 150 Jamaican dollars for US. Yeah, $1 US. And this is 2 for 6 pieces. Yeah, 6 pieces for 1,200. Very nice. Yeah, $1,950, guys, for these 3 pieces. Beautiful. So comment in the comment section, guys, if it is the same price in your country. 3 pieces here for $1,950 at $150 in Jamaica for US dollars. Comment and tell me what's the price for this back in your home. Very nice, guys. Beautiful kitchen tools. Beautiful. Yeah. Here we have openers. Different types of openers. Price for this one is 1,900. Yeah. Here we have another one here. This one. This is like wine openers, guys. Yeah. And these are peelers. Yeah, so to peel our potatoes. Yeah. $750 for this one here. And they have different ones. They are in varieties. $750 for this one. Here we have peelers with scissors. Yeah, wonderful. This is a set. And this set is for $650. Very nice. So we are at Winners store here in Portmore, Jamaica, guys. Yes. These are scissors, so to cut off fats and skins for meat, whether it is the beef, the pork, or the chicken. Scissors, guys. Wonderful. Different openers here. Yeah. And the price for this one is $650. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. So there they have the stainless steel as well, guys. Yes. Stainless steel. There are forks there. So unique. Here they are. Yeah. For my Jamaican family, you can come over to Portmore, guys, or for those living in around Portmore, come over to Winners store, guys. Portmore, here in Jamaica, guys, and shop. That is it. Look at them. Beautiful pieces of kitchen. Yes. Kitchen utensils. Yeah. Very nice. Different strainers. Wide variety of strainers. Strain our juices. Yeah. Nice strainers, guys, with funnels. Wonderful. Different colors. Here they are. Funnels. Scoops. Wonderful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. As if I'm sweat. Sweat, sweat, sweat. Bye.